Well, hello friends, my name's Antonio and welcome to Back at the Ranch. We're still on our 4-day camp out. We got our little hog here from a past hunt, so if you haven't seen that, you can click right here on this video to see when we harvested this. We're doing a whole hog today with bees and all. So we're gonna start off with just rinsing, seasoning, and I don't think it's gonna fit in the smoker, so we're probably gonna have to chop them up a little bit. Flip. All right, so small issue, not that big of an issue, I guess kind of a big issue. The hog is bigger than the pit, so we're gonna take it down the middle so we can overlap it and smoke it.
You want me to get this off? Or no, just snap it? There you go.
Alright, so now for the seasoning, we're going to use something that Ramon brought, I think. Who brought this one?
Butt rub.
Ramon brought the butt rub. So never tried this seasoning before. We're going to see how this turns out.
You want to try? Ese marranito parece conejo.
Ya casi, ¿verdad?
Parece liebre, pues, más bien. Está buen tamaño ese. ¿Eh? Está buen tamaño ese. Buen tamaño.
Alright, well seasoned. Now we're going to put it on the pit. Alright, so we are going in. Got it? So we are going to have to overlap, as I mentioned, which is fine. We're going to do a slow smoke. There you go, you got it. And we get that at 250 degrees. We let it smoke for a good 6 hours, and I'll see you in a few hours. Alright, just a quick update on how the hog's going. First of all, it's been about 2 hours more or less, and somebody decided to make fajitas, so we got fajitas, and somebody else decided to make mollejas, so we've got mollejas. And
it wasn't me.
It wasn't you, which is all good. And let's check the hog. Let's see how she's looking. Oh man, it's getting there. We're gonna let that keep roasting. We might turn the temperature down just a little bit, so it'll be ready closer to 6 o'clock. Because we're not gonna eat that now. We just ate a lot of food, and there's a lot of food, and that's dinner. All right, so it's time for the final update. It is 5 till 6. Sundown is officially at 6:05, so we still have a little bit of sunlight back there. Almost gone. Those guys are still hunting, but they're almost on their way back. We just shut the timer off on this, and that is officially ready. All right, well, it's time for the official reveal. Let's get that hog out. We've been letting that rest for, oh, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Yeah. Check that out. And since I shot it, I'm gonna have the first taste. Let's see how we ended up here. Man, that is delicious. Probably the best hog I've ever had off this ranch. All right, we're about to wrap up day 3 here as far as this video is concerned, but didn't get anything in the blinds. But that hog's ready. Everybody's picking at it. How is it, guys? Everything good? All right. So reheating the mollejas, reheating the fajitas, got the fire going because it's going to dip into the 30s tonight. And a good day overall, even though there was no harvest today. But it looks like they're busting out cigars. So it's cigar time and they're watching the game. I think I'm going to crack open a beer and enjoy the rest of the night. I appreciate you guys hanging out, and we'll see you next time. I'm back at the ranch.